can barely open it.
That was an ugly face. Oh shit.
I've been wanting something like this. Okay, Rex, this is not yours. Okay, this box is really like
Okie dokie, already showed you.
flashy.
Oh, alright. Okay, open this one first because I accidentally ripped it because I'm an idiot. Open this side though. Because I accidentally ripped the other side. Yes.
Oh.
Oh, but I don't even know what this one is too, so.
You broke it already!
No, I didn't. Calm down, Megan. Calm down.
You got too excited, you broke it.
Oh my god.
I've been wanting this. Now I can put all my little hair bows in here.
Are you excited, baby?
Mommy!
I know, she told me last night about it. I'm like, oh my god.
Okay, one more from Nanny. All these have been from Nanny.
Stop! This wrapping paper and this tape. Beep, stop!
I have to send that one to Maggie. That was funny.
Yes, it was.
I'm smelling it. I don't know why.
Now they can see the weirdest thing she gets.
Well, let me see.
Hold on, baby.
Look at vibe that I got.
Let me see.
Okay. Now, your gift from me is in here, and your other gift. Let me do baby's hers first.
Yeah. Have more reactions of
Here you go, baby.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, look at that.
You want some right
Smile.
there?
That's cute. Here, the other mommy.
Okay, now Maggie wants me to videotape Aaliyah's. Okay. This is... Take the bag off.
Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
Look
There's stuff
inside.
inside.
Do the little pockets first.
I love owls! How do you open this thing? I don't know how to open some stuff, okay? I'm really weird. I did get a lot. I've been wanting soft lips. Another one.
Okay, I'm gonna calm down.
Oh, sorry. I'm really dramatic. Is there anything in this pocket? Yes, a lot in this. Mommy, look at all this. Oh my god. China glaze. I'm so happy. I like this good. See? We'll have a girly girl day.
Okay, hurry up.
I'm sorry. I like all the colors. I'm not... I'll put it over here by the other jewelry. It's fresh. Does it say friends?
Yeah. You
Okay.
get one and I get one.
Okay. Mommy! Oh my god, with those little annoying little brush things. Alexis! This is not yours. Mimi.
Oh, Alexis, no.
Stop it.
She was going there.
Oh my gosh! Yay! No! Look!
Which one is that one?
Oh my gosh! I'm so excited. I'm so excited.